Most people think their problem is not making enough money, but that's not the truth. The real problem is what happens after the money arrives. Right now, millions of people are living paycheck to paycheck, not just low-income earners. Even people making serious money feel stuck. Some can't survive a single week without income, and many don't even have emergency savings. So clearly, this isn't just about income. It's about how money is handled. Think about your own situation. Your paycheck comes in, and somehow it disappears. You paid bills, bought a few things, maybe treated yourself, and suddenly it's gone. You don't even remember where most of it went. That's the real issue. There's no system. So in this video, I'm going to show you a simple, clear way to handle every paycheck so you stop feeling stuck and start building real control over your money. Let's break it down. First, before you do anything else, handle your minimum payments. Every debt you have, credit cards, loans, anything, make sure at least the minimum is paid. This step isn't about getting ahead yet, it's about staying afloat. Because missing payments creates bigger problems. It hurts your credit, increases your costs, and makes everything harder long term. So step one is simple: protect yourself. Now step 1.5, and this might be the most important step of all: automate everything. Set up automatic payments, automatic transfers, automatic savings. Why? Because you can't spend money you never see. When everything runs automatically, you remove emotions, distractions, and bad decisions from the process. You don't rely on motivation. You don't rely on memory. Your money moves the right way without you thinking about it. Next, step 2, cover your essentials. This is your survival budget: rent, food, transport, bills, and basic needs. You need to know this number clearly. Not guessing, not estimating. Know exactly what it costs to live your life each month. And keep that money untouched. This is not for fun. This is for stability. A simple guideline is this: about 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for saving and investing. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you need structure. Step 3, build your emergency fund. This is where most people fail. Unexpected things happen: job loss, medical bills, emergencies, and without savings, one problem can destroy everything. That's why you need at least 4 to 6 months of expenses saved. Start small if you need to. First, aim for a small buffer, then grow it step by step. This money is not for spending, it's your protection. Step 4, start investing. This is where you actually begin building wealth. A good starting point is putting aside around 10 to 15% of your income for the future. If your job offers any kind of retirement match, take it. That's free money. And the key here isn't timing the market or being perfect, it's consistency. The earlier you start, the more powerful it becomes. Step 5, attack high-interest debt. If you have debt with high interest, especially credit cards, this needs to go. Because paying 20% interest is like losing money every single day. You can approach this in 2 ways. Either focus on the highest interest first, fastest financially, or pay off the smallest debts first, best for motivation. Both work. The best one is the one you'll stick to. Step 6, grow beyond the basics. Once your foundation is strong, you can invest more, save more, and expand. This is where wealth really builds. But here's something most people ignore. Step 7, increase your income. Relying on one income source today is risky. The world is changing fast. Jobs are not as secure as they used to be. So building an extra stream, even small, gives you power. It could be freelancing, content creation, selling online, or anything that brings in extra cash. Even a few hundred extra each month makes a difference. And here's the rule most people miss. When your income increases, don't upgrade your lifestyle immediately. Instead, save or invest at least half of every raise. That's how you avoid the trap that keeps even high earners broke. Because the truth is, many people earn more but spend even more, and they stay stuck. At the end of the day, there's no secret, no magic investment, no shortcut, just a system. A simple flow. Handle your obligations, automate everything, cover your needs, build your safety, invest consistently, eliminate bad debt, increase your income. Then repeat, again and again. Because wealth isn't built in one big move, it's built in small, consistent actions over time. Your next paycheck is coming. The only question is, will you repeat the same cycle or finally take control?